In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a menu in Odoo. If you're looking to streamline your user's experience, or perhaps you just want to tidy up your interface by hiding certain menus that aren't necessary for everyone, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To begin, the first thing you need to do is enable developer mode in your Odoo instance. This step is crucial because it unlocks additional settings and features typically reserved for advanced customization. You can enable developer mode by navigating to your Odoo dashboard and clicking on your name at the top right corner. You'll see an option that says, Activate the developer mode. By switching this on, you'll gain access to all the technical menus Odoo has to offer. Once developer mode is activated, head over to Settings. You'll notice new options that weren't there before. From here, look for the Technical section and click on it. Within the Technical section, you'll find an option labeled User Interface. Click on Menu Items under this category. This is where all your menu items are listed, and you'll be able to choose which ones you want to modify. Next, it's time to identify the specific menu item you wish to hide. You can do this by using the search bar provided. Simply type in the name of the menu or part of the name if you're unsure, and it should pop up. Once you have located the menu item, click on it to bring up its configuration settings. Now, let's talk about controlling visibility. The Groups field is your best friend in this process. You can use this field to dictate who sees what. If your goal is to limit visibility rather than completely hiding the menu, you can add specific groups that you want to have access to this menu. In this way, only the users belonging to those groups will see the menu item, supporting a tailored user experience tailored to function or role. On the other hand, if you wish to hide the menu item entirely from all users, you can utilize a clever trick. Simply assign the menu to a group that no user belongs to. This can be done by creating a dummy group that essentially holds no members. Since no users are part of this group, the menu item will be hidden from everyone. And there you have it. Remember to save the changes and you're all set. Tailoring your Odoo interface can greatly enhance productivity and reduce unnecessary noise for your users. Whether you choose to limit access or completely hide a menu, Odoo provides a flexible way to manage your workspace visually and functionally. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Odoo tips and tricks.